Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing. If you follow my channel, you know that I'm showing you the tools that I'm using. So this is a new tool that I bought. So I'm going to show you how it looks. It's called the third hand. It's supposed to help you with your soldering and everything you need. So I'm going to open it. It's the Realacc soldering stand. If I remember correctly, it has 6 arms, including fan. It's not cheap, but it's definitely going to help you out. As you can see, it comes with the box, instruction. This is how it looks. Yeah, it has 6 arms and a USB fan. There is an upgraded version of it with clamps, but I thought it will be enough for me. So you can see here all the arms. The arms comes assembled. You need to connect it to the base. So that's the base. Pretty nice. Big, bit heavy, so it's good to hold your stuff. Not sure if this screws. By the way, this is also new, the soldering pad. I used to do a lot of soldering, did a lot of holes in my cutting pad, so I bought this soldering pad. If you take the solder and put it directly, it won't melt, so also nice. It has like place to put the screws. So this is the fan, so I guess the screw is to connect the fan. Let's see, that's the arms. Nice long. It will hold its place. So I take one. It's plastic, so make sure you're in the right way. So quite large, as you can see. It's about, I guess, it's about 20 centimeters plus. So that's done. Yep, let's see. So okay, disconnect this screw right here. Yeah, that seems right. So you can put the fan that way. The fan need to pull the fumes against you, so fan will look like you need to put it this way, or just put it just reverse the way to the other side, so the fan takes the air from here to there, so you can connect it either way. Just make sure when you use it, the fan, it's not facing you. Not sure where all my tools. Okay, so that's why you got the screw. You disconnect one of them here and connect it with the screw, and you have the fan. Okay, how we're supposed to do it? About this way, so the fan will take the fumes away from you. So, okay, that's it. As you can see, it stands okay. You can do the soldering. It can help you put another wire in. If you have a simpler thing you want to solder, now your hands are free to solder with both hands. And that's it for the stand. By the way, I'm gonna build a new racer. It's gonna be an X model. If you want me to film it, go ahead and comment below. That's it for the Realacc 6-arm stand. Hope this helps you. Feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.